Hi, this is Brett with megahobby.com. We got an unboxing video today. Just in the door, the new Tamiya F-14D Tomcat, also known as the Super Tomcat. This is following on to their F-14A model that they came out with about 2 years ago by now. But this shares a lot of parts with that. So we'll take a look, we'll dig in and take a look at what's new in this one and also what carries over from the previous one. So let's crack this open. And I've taken all the parts out of the bags. These being a Tamiya kit, these all come pretty much individually bagged, but I didn't want that rustling around on the microphone. So I've already taken them out of the bags, but here you can see the nice panel lines here on the wings. This is a carryover from the A, as well as this sprue here with the main fuselage parts. You can see they have you can position the pilot steps there, and also there's this is different between A's and B's, so we'll see the panel that goes in there a little later. The rear fuselage, and these are the wing seals. You get two different sets of these, so they can do the wings swept back or the wings extended. You just swap these out for, these are inflatable on the real aircraft. You've got some that are the lower ones, and then you've got the higher ones here. You can swap those out. Here we get into the first new sprue. This has some of the engine surrounds. This is a warning pod, electronic warning pod. This is a tarps pod. This is for reconnaissance, photographic reconnaissance. This has some interior parts. You can actually see through the camera windows in the pod. There's that gun vent for the D. We got some new chin pod, some new cockpit components. New on this tree. And here we have another carryover from the A. This says your engine intakes, your tail, the missile, or the tray where the missiles fit into. Okay. We get into a new parts tree here. There's two of these. This has the, oops, let me flip it over to the good side here. These have the bombs. You get 500-pound laser guided bombs, 1,000-pound, 2,000-pound JDAM. You get a FLIR pod, different wheels for the D. These are the bomb. These fit into the Phoenix pallets, then hold bombs. Some more engine. There's the tail feathers there. Got the lower fuselage. Again, this is a carryover from the A. You've got, these are your landing gear bays, which are actually built up. These are all built up from multiple parts to get details on the, not just on the bottom but also on the sides. A lot of landing gear components on here. I mean, this has the more traditional F-14 air-to-air missiles. This is also a carryover from the previous kit. You only get one of these, because you don't need as many of these as you do on an A. You get sparrows, sidewinders, the Phoenix, all the air-to-air missiles there. Got the clear parts, which we'll take out of here. These are new for the D. You get your tarps, pod windows. There's different instrument panels in the back. You get the parts for that. Very nice one-piece molded canopy with the correct kind of bubble shape to it. Very nice clear parts. And these are your cockpit parts here, your tub. This goes on the inside of the canopy. Some of your side instruments, which they're different ones for the D and the other sprue. We've got another duplicate here. This has your tail, extra fuel tanks, the seats, which are, these are different on this model. On the D model, these are different seats. Out of the way. We've got our full color painting guide here with 4 different paint schemes. This is a retirement scheme from 2006. We've got some more tactical camouflage variants here. 2003. This is the old one here, 1995. Got the instruction manual, which typical Tamiya manual, very well laid out, very clear drawings. You got paint call outs for Tamiya paint. Different 4 different marking schemes, which tells you the different loadouts for each one would be appropriate for each one. There's all the weapons. You know, little history sheet there of the aircraft. We've got our decals. We've got the smaller sheet, which has your carbon fiber that goes around the engine nozzles. That's a nice touch to include in there. You even get little pedals for the exhaust nozzles. There's like a little darker area that typically you'd normally have to paint, but Tamiya thought ahead and gave you decals for that. It's very nice. You've got powered up instrument panels there. You get powered down. Some decals for the helmets. Each weapon kind of gets its own little section, each bomb or missile. And then we get to the main sheet here. Very nice colorful markings for all 4. BF2, which is one of the same schemes that was in the A model, but that one's from the 70s, and this is from 2003, I think. And there's also some little poly caps and screws that you use in there. But there you go. That was a look at the new D model, F-14D, brand new from Tamiya. Thanks for watching.